how to change Uber Eats account to UberX. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can actually change your Uber Eats account to UberX, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have a normal Uber Eats account and then you would like to change to an UberX account, it's very simple. Just tap the account icon that you can find here. One thing that you can try to do in order to get the UberX account is to simply tap the Uber One option and then make sure that you subscribe to Uber One, because you're also going to get other accounts in this case as well. Now in another case, let's say you want to actually completely change your account type. For that, what you can try to do is you have to try to contact the help section. So go to help section, go to the option called account and payments, and then here you can just go to account settings here. Once you go to account settings, you should be able to see the details as to how you can change it, or you can just select I need to contact support and then just enter the name of your account, enter the phone number. The support team is going to get in touch with you and you can ask them as to what are the other steps necessary on it. This way you will be able to basically change Uber Eats account to UberX. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.